All new 2026 Nissan Kicks SV, what to expect? The subcompact crossover segment is a crowded battlefield. Every manufacturer is vying for your attention, promising a blend of practicality, efficiency, and style. But amidst the clamor, one vehicle consistently manages to stand out, the Nissan Kicks. And now, with whispers of the 2026 model starting to circulate, particularly about the enticing SV trim, it's time to take a closer look at what makes this little crossover such a compelling choice. I've always had a soft spot for vehicles that offer more than you expect, those underdogs that surprise you with their capabilities. And based on the buzz, the 2026 Nissan Kicks SV is shaping up to be just that, a car that's much more than the sum of its parts. Let's dive into what early reviews and insights are suggesting, and why this could be the perfect vehicle for city dwellers, young families, or anyone looking for a reliable and fun-to-drive ride without breaking the bank. More than just a pretty face, though it is pretty. The first thing that strikes you about the Kicks is its design. It's undeniably stylish, with a youthful, energetic vibe that sets it apart from the more generic offerings in the segment. The 2026 model is expected to build upon this foundation, retaining the signature V-motion grille and floating roofline while perhaps adding some subtle tweaks to keep things fresh. The SV trim, which sits comfortably in the middle of the Kicks lineup, typically adds some extra visual flair. We're anticipating stylish alloy wheels, perhaps a bit larger than the base model, and maybe even some exclusive color options. But it's not just about aesthetics. The Kicks' compact size makes it a breeze to navigate tight city streets and squeeze into those frustratingly small parking spots. This is a vehicle that understands the realities of urban living, and it's designed to make your daily commute a little less stressful. Inside the Kicks SV, where comfort meets practicality. Stepping inside the current Kicks SV, you're greeted by a surprisingly spacious cabin. For a subcompact, it's remarkably roomy, with ample headroom and legroom for both front and rear passengers. Early speculation suggests the 2026 model will continue this trend, potentially even offering a bit more cargo space. This is crucial for a vehicle that's likely to be used for everything from grocery runs to weekend getaways. The SV trim typically brings with it a noticeable upgrade in interior quality compared to the base model. Expect to find comfortable, supportive seats, possibly with upgraded upholstery. Nissan has been known to pay attention to detail, and we can anticipate nice touches like contrast stitching and strategically placed soft touch materials. This is where the 2026 Kicks SV will truly shine, offering a premium feel without the premium price tag. Tech that keeps you connected and safe. In today's world, technology is non-negotiable, even in a budget-friendly vehicle. The 2026 Kicks SV is poised to deliver in this department. We can likely expect a user-friendly infotainment system with a crisp touchscreen display, featuring seamless smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This means easy access to your favorite navigation apps, music streaming services, and hands-free calling. But the tech story doesn't end there. Safety is paramount, and the Kicks SV is expected to come standard with Nissan's Safety Shield 360 suite of driver assistance features. This comprehensive package typically includes automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, blind spot warning, rear cross traffic alert, lane departure warning, and high beam assist. These are features usually found on much more expensive vehicles, and their inclusion in the Kicks SV underscores Nissan's commitment to making advanced safety technology accessible to all. Features. Exterior features. Stylish alloy wheels. The SV trim typically upgrades from the base model's steel wheels to larger, more eye-catching alloy wheels. Expect 17-inch alloys as standard, possibly with a unique design exclusive to the SV. Signature V-motion grille. Nissan's distinctive V-motion grille will likely be a prominent feature, potentially with a slightly refreshed design for 2026. Floating roofline. This design element, which creates the illusion of a roof floating above the body, is a Kicks hallmark and is expected to continue on the 2026 model. LED headlights. While the base model might stick with halogen, the SV often features brighter and more efficient LED headlights for improved visibility. LED daytime running lights are also highly probable. Heated side mirrors, a practical feature for colder climates. Heated side mirrors are often included in the SV trim to quickly clear frost and improve visibility. Roof rails, adding both style and functionality. Roof rails are often available on the SV, allowing for the attachment of cargo carriers, bike racks, and other accessories. Potential for exclusive colors. Nissan might offer the SV trim in a few unique exterior colors not available on the base model, adding a touch of exclusivity. Interior features. Upgraded cloth upholstery. Expect a step up in material quality compared to the base model, with more comfortable and potentially more stylish cloth upholstery. Heated front seats. This is a feature often found in the SV trim in some markets, offering added comfort during colder months. Leather-wrapped steering wheel, a small touch that adds a premium feel. A leather-wrapped steering wheel is often part of the SV package. Automatic climate control. Instead of manual controls, the SV likely features automatic climate control, allowing you to set your desired temperature and let the system maintain it. Spacious cabin. The Kicks is known for its surprisingly roomy interior, and the 2026 model is expected to continue this trend, providing ample space for passengers and cargo. 60/40 split folding rear seats. This versatile feature allows you to expand cargo space as needed by folding down one or both sections of the rear seat. Technology and safety features. Larger touchscreen infotainment system. An 8-inch or even 9-inch touchscreen display is likely for the SV trim, offering a user-friendly interface for entertainment and vehicle settings. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Seamless smartphone integration is a must-have these days, allowing you to access your favorite apps, navigation, and music through the infotainment system. Nissan Connect services. This suite of connected services might offer features like remote start, vehicle health reports, and emergency calling. Multiple USB ports. Expect both USB-A and USB-C ports for charging devices and connecting to the infotainment system. Nissan Safety Shield 360. This comprehensive suite of driver assistance features is expected to be standard on the SV trim, including automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, helps prevent or mitigate frontal collisions. Blind spot warning, alerts you to vehicles in your blind spots. Rear cross traffic alert, warns you of approaching traffic when backing out of a parking space. Lane departure warning, alerts you if you unintentionally drift out of your lane. High beam assist, automatically switches between high and low beams for optimal visibility. Rear automatic braking, can apply the brakes to help avoid collisions when backing up. Intelligent cruise control, ICC. This feature could potentially be included or offered as an option on the SV, allowing for a more relaxed driving experience on the highway. Rear view camera / around view monitor. While a rear view camera is standard, the SV may come with an upgraded around view monitor, providing a 360-degree view of the vehicle's surroundings for easier parking. Powertrain and performance, speculative. Fuel-efficient engine. The 2026 Kicks SV will likely retain a focus on fuel economy, potentially with a slightly updated version of the current model's engine or a new, even more efficient powertrain. Continuously variable transmission, CVT. A CVT is the most probable transmission choice, known for its smooth operation and contribution to fuel efficiency. Front-wheel drive, FWD. The Kicks is currently offered as a FWD-only model, and this is expected to continue for 2026. Potential for hybrid option. Although there is no official statement yet, adding a hybrid option would make a lot of sense. Under the hood, efficiency and a surprisingly engaging drive. While official details about the 2026 Kicks SV's powertrain are still under wraps, it's safe to assume it will continue to prioritize fuel efficiency. The current model boasts impressive MPG figures, and we expect the new model to be just as frugal, if not more so. This makes the Kicks an ideal choice for those looking to minimize their running costs. But don't mistake efficiency for a lack of fun. The Kicks has always been known for its nimble handling and surprisingly engaging driving dynamics. Its lightweight and responsive steering make it a joy to toss around corners, and the SV trim, with its potentially upgraded suspension and larger wheels, might add an extra layer of sportiness to the driving experience. Based on the early rumblings and the Kicks track record, the 2026 Nissan Kicks SV is shaping up to be a real winner. It offers a compelling blend of style, practicality, technology, and safety, all wrapped up in an affordable package. This is a vehicle that punches well above its weight, delivering a premium experience without the premium price. Of course, we'll have to wait for the official release to confirm all the details, but one thing is clear, the 2026 Nissan Kicks SV is a vehicle to watch. It has the potential to be the perfect choice for a wide range of drivers, from urban commuters to small families and anyone looking for a reliable, stylish, and fun-to-drive crossover that won't break the bank. If you're in the market for a new car in the near future, the 2026 Kicks SV should definitely be on your radar. It's an underdog that's ready to take on the big players, and based on what we've seen so far, it's more than up to the challenge. This car could be your perfect match, and I, for one, am excited to see what it brings to the table.